Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download MetaMask application on your iOS device. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to tap open your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in MetaMask and search. Look for this application from MetaMask from the search results and then tap on the download link available. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your iOS device, which will take a few minutes. Once the application is downloaded and ready for use, tap on open and there you have successfully downloaded MetaMask application on your iPhone. Get started and create a new wallet or import an existing wallet for MetaMask. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.